Welcome back to another video where HoverNotes is your AI to easier and faster notes. In the previous video, we talked about how you can use it on YouTube. But as you can see, in this video, we'll explain how you can use it on any video, right? Let's use LinkedIn Learning as an example. If you open up LinkedIn Learning and you pop up a video, you'll see just as YouTube, HoverNotes has an icon in the top left corner. You want to click video notes the same way you do as YouTube, and it'll open up in video mode. This video mode is where you're going to have all your controls, and it's going to ask you where to save it to your folder if you do not have a folder connected. And in this instance, I do not. So normally what you do is click connect to a folder and you select a folder, aka is going to be called a vault. And once you flip on your AI note, you can go ahead and let it start taking notes for you. See, HoverNotes is listening to the audio and watching the video at the same time, and it will take notes, even though I have the video sped up to 2 times. And I paused it, and it will still generate notes in that little bit of time that I watched, the bot watched the video, as you can see. And now here are the notes, the little notes that was recorded through the video. And you can use this and it automatically saves to your folder that you saved it to. You can open it up anytime. Now you can also take screenshots by clicking Control K, and it will add a screenshot to your notes. You can also, if you want to do like a specific sizing, you can click the recording looking button here and click to drag and select where you want it to screenshot a specific percentage of your screen. And that will be added, as you can see, in your notes section. So you can take notes on any video on any site and they can be comprehensive. Now, stay tuned because I will show you in another video, another example of another site where you can use a video, and I will show you how you can use it in a local video file, which you can do as well. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for some more. And if anything, HoverNotes is your AI to faster and easier notes. Peace.